You're gonna love the 2018 Ram 3500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. The Ram 3500 packs immense strength, dependability, comfort, and quality into a fully capable, heavy-duty truck that's ready and waiting to help you get the big jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, bed liner, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated front seat, cooled front seat, power passenger seat. Eliminate the stress of wondering whether your truck has what it takes. Drive the Ram 3500.